All right, this just showed up today. It's a quick unboxing of this Milwaukee saw. Oh, yeah. A box in a box. Whatever. All right, 18-volt fuel. Oh, this thing's heavy. This is how it showed up if you order online. Let's see. Slides right out. How nice is that? Nothing else in the cardboard box. Alright, there you go. Boop. Alright, right out of the box. You're going to have to install the blade. I'm not doing that right now. Don't steal it. Don't steal it from the store. Comes with the fuel line of tools. Ooh, 300 plus solutions. Kind of like the Ryobi. Oh, sweet. This comes with two batteries. Two of their M. Ooh, this one's beefy. Well, I guess the battery needs to be charged, but right out of the box, this thing's a beast. Just to show you what it looks like. So yeah, oh shit, sliced my hand open. Okay, plastic right here is super sharp, be aware of that. But it's a saw, I mean, don't be an idiot with it. I'm expecting that to happen. Comes with a charger, so you charge one battery at a time. And not even gonna set it up because there's no point. All right, slides right out. Yeah, battery showed up dead. I'll charge this up. Can't really mess with it with a dead battery. Oh, and it has this too, just to keep the battery from being juiced while it's sitting. So, all right, I'll charge the battery up and get this thing going. Maybe I'll hook it all up and cut some stuff with it, but very cool, heavy duty, good weight to it. Not exactly sure that you want this to be heavy, but there you have it.